It's Friday, December 10th. It's about midday, and I just wanted to shoot a video that describes red to green trades that I look for with price action. And an important part of that, red to green, means that we open the session, heading a little lower to start, then we turn green, and that's kind of sets up kind of near the low of the day, and then the follow through up to break the initial high of the day, and then hopefully, if you have the context right, you're going to be approaching the high of a previous day. So the thing I wanted to point out is that what I also look for as a key screening element is that we're holding above the close of yesterday, and that's this yellow line. And the close actually relates to not just the close of yesterday, but then you have a little after hours session that happens, and then you get that's where that's kind of what they represent as the close, where that after hours closes. Then it trades overnight, and you can see that, prior to the open, and then you get the opening price action. But the close of yesterday is really yesterday's price action plus, the after hours session. And anyway, what I want to see on my red to green moves is that you come down. If you believe, like this stock, for example, moved up big, couple of days ago, then paused, and then we're just coming down to the midway point of that bar. So this is a definite opportunity context-wise for a move once it comes down here to start back up again. And you can see yesterday didn't provide the signal at all. We opened up and then we came down. But today, given the overnight price, the after-hour price action, the overnight price action, we set up a bar where context-wise we're looking to buy, and you have a kind of a red to green move right here you could have bought, and then this double bottom was actually even a better secondary buy right here, and then price obviously moved up to its target, which was the first bar of the day, and now we're resuming the uptrend overall. And if I just look at some of the other stocks on the board, this is a stock that was actually gapping up today, so I like, and when you have a gap, many times you don't really follow through right away. Sometimes you start lower first. So this is a good red to green in the sense that we're above the close of yesterday. But then other stocks here, these red to green, I don't want to get into the context, but I just have these stocks on the board that might have started green, and I would have looked to buy. But since they came down below the close, this one came down below the close. Here's a stock, Home Depot came down below the close. Even the FANG stocks, Facebook today, and again, I'd have to go over more to see if it was even looking for a red to green buy, given the context. Probably not on this because you're below the midpoint of the prior day. But anyway, it came below the close. So I just wanted to go back and just point out how when I discuss red to green moves on trades, a very important thing is that I'm looking for price to be holding, not only kind of the overnight action and the close of yesterday before as it's turning green, and then you're anticipating that being the kind of the low of the day and moving up back at least to the initial high, and then taking that out, and then hopefully from a context standpoint going much higher.